Hey there, I'm Krunal. I'm founder at Skillzo. I'm really excited to announce Skillzo. It's an AI-powered learning platform which helps you with your professional development journey at any stage in your career. If you have a difficult situation at work and if you don't know how to navigate that, you can use Skillzo. If you're trying to learn a new skill and want some plan, you can use Skillzo. It basically tailored the guidance to your needs and give you a plan forward for any situations that you have. So let's have an imaginary scenario today which I can walk you through. So let me show you a demo today with a very common scenario that we have in the software world, uh, where the developer may feel like they are not able to advance in their career due to any reason. Let's see how Skillzo is helping the software developer out. So this is the homepage for Skillzo, where it says I'm your coach, and it shows what are the methods that it uses, and then there are some conversation starters. The example we are looking at today is I want to advance in my career, but I'm not sure where to start. So let me just go ahead with it. So Skillzo comes back with, it's a great that you are thinking about advancing your career. Let me help you out. It asks a couple of questions just to get more details. So one is, okay, what is your current role, and are there any specific skills or areas you feel you need improvement in? Let's say I am a software developer with 5 years of experience. I feel like I am not learning anything new, and I would like to advance in my career, but I am not sure how. So Skillzo got back with, thank you for sharing more about your situation. As a software developer with 5 years of experience, it's understandable to seek new challenges and growth opportunities. So it's basically talking positively about the candidate, and it's basically showing that empathy, that it's fine to be in this position for now. Now it's asking about the long-term career goals. Where do you envision yourself, and then any specific technologies or roles you are interested in. So you can say I am really interested in becoming a senior developer, and in long term so as a tech lead on a team. Yeah, that's a fantastic goal and fantastic long-term vision. Becoming a senior developer and eventually tech lead are both rewarding paths that will allow you to make significant impact on your team. Let's explore the specific skills and experience you will need to achieve this goal. It says, okay, what skills do you think are essential for a senior developer or tech lead role, and are there any current obstacles or challenges you foresee reaching out to these goals? Can say a very common scenario where the developer is just working on their team's work but doesn't know much about the company's goals or even their organization's goals. So let's go ahead. I am working on my team projects, which I am really confident with, but when it comes to understanding broader picture, I feel challenging and I get motivated. I also don't have much support from my manager. Is a pretty common scenario in tech. Says it's understandable to feel challenged when trying to grasp the broader picture. Basically says, okay, let's focus on the smart goals. Let's focus on things which are in your control. It's basically asking what is the specific aspect of the broader picture, and how do you currently approach understanding the overall architecture or strategy of your projects. I am not sure about the challenges. It's just I feel like that think very common. I remember when I was a developer with 4 to 5 years of experience, I was feeling similarly, and that's why I'm trying to see what Skillzo comes up with. It says, okay, how do you currently understanding? I'm not providing a lot of attention to company wide things, but my current approach is to just keep on learning technical skills. Okay. Again, I'm saying it's common to focus on technical skills, especially in a developer role, but understanding the broader company context is crucial for advancing in your senior or leadership positions. Let's set a SMART goal which will help you out in gaining a better understanding of the broader picture while continuing to enhance your technical skills. This will prepare you for the responsibilities of senior developer and tech lead. It says, okay, what is the specific technical skills do you want to focus on improving? Would you be interested in setting a goal to learn more about company-wide strategies or project management? Yes, I am open to learning things that will help me in my next role. I would like to learn more about LLMs now as it's trending, and I am sure it will open up more opportunities for me. Again, says, yeah, great choice. Learning about large language models is a valuable skill that aligns well with your current industry trends. It can certainly open up some opportunities for you. Let's confirm your goal and ensure it aligns with your long-term vision of becoming a senior developer, tech lead. Once confirmed, I can create a detailed plan for you to help you and achieve this goal. Are you ready to commit to the goal? And do you see LLM fitting into your current projects, future goals? I don't have any current projects, but I can propose something for my team. I am ready to commit for now. Okay, fantastic. Committing to mastering LLMs is a strategic step towards your goal to becoming a senior developer and tech lead. Let's move forward by creating a detailed learning plan to mastering LLMs and understanding the application in your work. This plan also includes strategies to help you gain broader understanding of company-wide initiative. I'm asking about the timeline, by when you want to do this, and would you prefer a flexible or a structured learning schedule? I can say, okay, I want a structure. I want a structured plan, and I would like to do this in next 6 months. Wonderful. Now it's basically creating the plan. Fantastic. So it give me a plan. It says, okay, this is a structured plan that will help you out mastering large language models. Introduction, basically these are the milestones. Introduction to LLMs and their applications, deep dive into LLM architectures, practical applications and project proposals, leadership skills and broader understanding. These are the milestones of your plan. Let's see how it looks on the learning plans page. Basically shows you want to do this in 6 months. It's a structured learning plan which will help you master LLMs and also help you with your path to become a senior developer. Basically, the first few milestones are learning about LLMs, whether it's completing a course or getting reading some resource, deep dive into the architectures. It's basically aligning the tech lead role where you will need deep understanding of LLM architectures. Basically also telling you that okay, you can learn about theory but also practical applications. It also have tasks for creating a project proposal that we talked about. It also has milestone for leadership skills, because we told that okay, we want to become a tech lead. It also tells you like, okay, join a community of tech leads, participate in learn leadership training programs. So this as a holistically give you a very structured and very good plan forward, which will help you achieve your goal, which is personalized to you. If you look in the market, you will find courses which are generic courses which will either talk about the technical skills or talk about the professional development or leadership skills, but there will be no course which is just for you. So I hope this is helpful. Happy learning.